Kiss sickness goodbye with our immune-boosting secret. When someone in your family gets sick, do the rest of the family drop like flies? Maybe it's because you didn't wash your hands enough, or perhaps it was that time you went to the bowling alley riddled with germs. The bottom line is, we all get sick, especially kids. But there are ways to feed your family's immunity so that everyone is in the best position to tackle whatever nasty germ comes their way. Immunity is your body's way of fighting ills, chills, disease, or infection before you feel the symptoms. We are continuously exposed to pathogens. These are tiny organisms such as bacteria, virus, or other microorganisms that make you sick. But this doesn't mean that we will always get sick. Building your family's immunity is vital for warding off the winter chills and other illnesses, and it can help you stay fit and healthy. But when our immune systems are weak or we don't have immunity to certain bugs, we are more vulnerable to colds, flu, and other illnesses. Having a strong immune system means we are equipped with a powerful natural defense system that helps fight against various illness. Unfortunately, it is practically impossible to germ-proof your family. Germs are everywhere. They're a part of life. Being exposed to different germs, viruses, and bacteria can even help strengthen your immune system. If you think you and your family are getting sick too often, then we have the answer that will help support your immunity and make it as strong as possible. Prevention is key after all. Colostrum is nature's best-kept secret and a powerful support for your immune system. Colostrum is naturally occurring, and its proteins and antibodies support your immune system, helping you feel fit, healthy, and protected. Alpha Lipid Lifeline is a perfect breakfast drink combining colostrum and probiotics for powerful immune and digestive support to help you feel balanced, healthy, and strong. With over 1 billion probiotics, why not add this to your favorite morning smoothie? Alpha Lipid Colostrum tablets are tasty, chewable tablets that are suitable for children over 2 years old. They are a delicious vanilla flavor that assists the body's natural repair process. Alpha Lipid Colostrum capsules have all the benefits of colostrum in a capsule, so are perfect for the busy ones of the family who are always on the go. They're easy to swallow at any time. You can even open the capsules and sprinkle over your favorite breakfast for the littlies of the family. Colostrum's antibodies work with your body's own cells to enhance immunity. When your immune system needs an extra boost, try the great-tasting chewable Alpha Lipid Immufort Ultraboost Colostrum. This has 1100 milligrams of concentrated double-strength immunoglobulins. Immunoglobulins are your body's natural warriors that attack viruses and bacteria that you and your family are exposed to every day. Alpha Lipid Colostrum is the perfect protection for busy, active families. For more information about this, read our Immunity for Your Family article on our blog page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.